Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So we don't have to do it very often, but we have to do it this weekend. We are closed for Saturday, the 2nd of August. So it's for the renovations that we're doing. They actually need the shop for the whole day. They're pulling benches apart and putting new ones up and all sorts of strange things. So unfortunately for this Saturday, so Saturday the 2nd of August, we will be closed. Website will still be open, so that's bullionnow.com.au, and you can certainly send us an email at sales@bullionnow.com.au, but we will be closed on Saturday and reopen again first thing on Monday morning. I am really sorry for any inconvenience at all.